The real goal here is to really carefully peel this back to a place at least to about the airbag so you can get in. So I'm going to work on getting this peeled back and then I'll show you how to get the actuator out because that will be next. And these torque bolts on the outside are T30s. I'm going to use a T30 socket that I have so I can get better leverage to pull those out. It is possible to strip those T30 bolts that are holding the actuator in. I say that because I've done it. And I strongly recommend that you don't. It really makes it much, much harder. So next step is going to be peeling this back so we can get inside, get past through this access point right here and get to the actuator. So I've peeled it back about to the airbag, and I started at this top edge because there's a little bit of a gap right here where this cable comes through, and this is the door pull cable. Where this cable comes through so you can get your finger on the inside here a little bit and start to work it out and work it off. This is really delicate and be careful with it. Like I said, you can see how it'll leave a little bit behind. That's okay. This stuff, when you heat it back up, it'll get tacky again. So there's some still on the foam. There's some still on the door. And like I said, worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario, you can buy some more and just pull this all off. And when it gets hot enough, it kind of peels. It'll all peel off really kind of neatly. If you need to do it again. Also, this vapor barrier on the inside, if yours is beat up, maybe you pull your door card and you find that someone has done some work in here before and your vapor barrier is screwed up, well, now's a good time to replace it as well.